Welcome to Cloud Expert Audiobooks. In this session, we'll be talking about Azure Boards. Let's understand what is Azure Boards. With the Azure Boards web service, teams can manage their software projects. It provides a rich set of capabilities including native support for Scrum and Kanban, customizable dashboards, and integrated reporting. These tools can scale as your business grows. You can quickly and easily start tracking user stories, backlog items, tasks, features, and bugs associated with your project. You track work by adding work items based on the process and work item types available to your project. Let's understand available work item types. Two of the most popular processes used are Basic and Agile. A process determines the work item types and workflow available in Azure Boards. If you want a project that uses the Scrum or CMMI process, you can add another project and specify the process. How to track work on interactive backlogs and boards. Quickly add and update the status of work using the Kanban board. You can also assign work to team members and tag with labels to support queries and filtering. Share information through descriptions, attachments, or links to network shared content. Prioritize work through drag and drop. Let's understand how to collaborate using Azure Boards. Collaborate with others through the discussion section of the work item form. Use mentions and ID controls to quickly include others in the conversation or link to other work items. Choose to follow specific issues to get alerted when they are updated. Create dashboards that track status and trends of work being accomplished. Set notifications to get alerted when an issue is created or changed. How to work in sprints. Implement Scrum using Azure Boards. Plan sprints by assigning work to current or future sprints. Forecast work that can get completed based on effort estimates. Determine how much work can be done within a sprint. Bulk assign issues and tasks to team members in sprints. How to work effectively using Azure Boards. You'll find you can work more effectively through these actions. Organize work into a hierarchy by grouping issues under epics, and tasks under issues. Create queries and quickly triage issues and tasks. Create work item templates to help contributors quickly add and define open meaningful issues and tasks. Quickly find work items that are assigned to you. Pivot or filter your work items based on other criteria, such as work items that you follow, that you're mentioned in, or that you viewed or updated. Great. Now you learned about Azure Boards. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please download our Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store and subscribe. Hey. Don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.